in the mid-50s. Wind advisory now in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. Timing now through Thursday. Winds, south winds of 30 to 35 miles per hour with gusts of 40 to 55 miles per hour today and tonight will become more southwesterly on Thursday. Impacts, high-profile vehicles will need to take extra care. Motorists should use caution while driving on area roadways. Outdoor objects could become displaced if not secured properly. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour or higher are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. The current time is 10:50.